There seems to be a lot of changes happening in the Hindi film industry where the business of cinema is concerned. So while there were days of releasing audio CDs at film music launches, producer Vashu Bhagnani has come up with a new strategy, and that's to release the music of his forthcoming film Faltu online. At the press meet, to not only introduce the cast of his film as well as unveil the first promo of it, Vashu spoke about the initiative.
मुझे लगता है ये 5 साल पहले कर लेना चाहिए था, बट ये म्यूजिक कंपनी का काम है. मुझे ऐसा लगा दिस इज द राइट टाइम बिकॉज यूथ की पिक्चर है और आज किसी के पास वक्त नहीं कि बाहर जाके 100-150 में सीडी ले, और मेनली पायरेसी को खत्म करने के लिए.
The film also happens to be a relaunch for his son Jackie Bhagnani, who made a forgettable entry in Bollywood with Kal Kisne Dekha. Asked Jackie how prepared he is from then to now, and he says,
I can never say I was, always prepared in the first film. And the same thing here. I'm just learning and getting to learn more and more. At that point, that was my maximum. And then tomorrow you get up and you feel, you can do better. So that's what I tried to do in this film also. Try to give my best.
Faltu is not just a launch vehicle for Jackie, but is also marking the debut of renowned choreographer Remo as a director. Asked Remo what's difficult, directing or choreographing, and he says,
बहुत सारे रीजंस है उसके. कोरियोग्राफी में क्या होता है कि डायरेक्टर बुलाता है आपको और आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं होती. आप जाते हो, गाना सुनते हो, सेट पे जाते हो, 3 मिनट का गाना करते हो, 3 दिन खत्म करते हो, आ जाते हो. उसके बाद एडिट करके आप छोड़ देते हो. बट फिल्म बनाना क्या होता है कि 3 मिनट नहीं होता, आपको 3 घंटा बनना है. उसमें डायलॉग्स होते हैं और आप सिर्फ शूट करके घर पे बैठ नहीं सकते. शूट करके उसके बाद जो असली काम होता है, एडिटिंग, उसके बैकग्राउंड स्कोर से लेके जब तक फिल्म बनती नहीं है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है पूरा करना. सो आई थिंक फिल्म मेकिंग इज डिफिकल्ट.
From the first look of the film, one gets the feel of it being heavily inspired by the Hollywood movie Accepted. Ask Remo whether it's true, and he says he has no qualms about it even if that's the case.
I would say there are a lot of films like this. And there are a lot of love stories which are same, but still people make love stories. There are action movies which are same. In Hollywood, in Bollywood, they copy, they do this thing. But it doesn't make your film copied or something which, if you use a very thin concept from that film to this film. So it's basically a love story. If you see a different kind of a love story, it's that only. So this is, if you feel that this film is copied or maybe its similarities are there, but after watching the film you will not say this.
And though Remo looks very confident about his film, we asked Jackie how was it dancing on Remo's tunes literally, and he says,
With him, it both is difficult because he doesn't leave you at all. Make this get up at 4 in the morning. Not as sweet as he looks like.
Faltu also have guest appearances by Ritesh Deshmukh and Arshad Varsi, and while Arshad couldn't make it for the event, Ritesh made sure he was there to promote Faltu. We asked the actor what Faltugiri he did during the shooting or in his life, and he quickly recalled,
There are so many things. मुझे ऊंचाई से बहुत डर लगता है कि अगर मैं कुर्सी पे खड़ा रहूँ तो मुझे नीचे उतरने से डर लगता है. I'm scared of heights. I have a phobia. तो मैं जब न्यूयॉर्क में था, I did skydiving. 17,000 फीट से कूदा था. तो उस वक्त लग रहा था यार क्या फालतूगिरी कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
well, we hope Faltu makes a mark at the box office and doesn't turn out to be a Faltu film. With cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is Swati Rohadgi for Rajshri.com.